It's lyric. Call the paramedics.
Not just OK.com.
It's actually so early in the morning. Do I have to do this? I just want to go. Oh god, let's just do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine inspired look, but anti-Valentine because I don't really celebrate Valentine. So it's going to be quite dark and sultry. I already did my eyebrows off camera just to save some time, and I'm going to prep my eyelids now using my regular Primark, you know, concealer thing. And yeah, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then I'll do the other one showing you exactly how I did it. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright guys, I've just done this eye off camera. It's really simple and quick, so I'm gonna do this other one just showing you how I did it. So I'm using the Sample Beauty palette. Yes, another eyeshadow smash. Yeah, I'm using Sample Beauty palettes. In most of my videos I'm probably going to use these, but unfortunately they've discontinued like every single palette, and I bought like every single palette from them, and they're like dupes of the Morphe ones. So if you want the Morphe ones, get them. I think some brands still like make these type of palettes anyway. So I'm using the red in this palette, this one, and the black up here as well. And then in one of their other palettes, which I'll show you, I'm using like a shimmery red in the inner corner. I might work back into this one, but that's what we've got so far. And I put eyeliner and stacked like 2 lashes. Not sure if this is too dramatic, but that's what we're going for today. So enjoy, just watch me. I might not talk through it since I've already told you the shadows I used, but yeah, just watch and follow up. Right, so this palette is smashed as well, and the color I'm going to use is the smashed one. It's like a reddish bronze tone. I know, this is how it came out. So that's what I'm going to use in my inner corner today, and I'm not going to use it from there. I'm going to use it from here and there, using my product wisely. Dude, the eyeliner I did, I don't even think you could see it, but I just can't do makeup without eyeliner, so that's why I'm putting it there. Then I've stacked these lashes. I'll show you when I get there. Let me just, you know, one step at a time. Right, so I'm gonna put these lashes on now. They're not very dramatic, so, well, they are, but I want some more. So I'm going to stack it with these ones. I put these ones on top of it, so yeah, just watch me do that.
It's lyric. Call the paramedics.
My wig is sliding back, but that's okay. I'm gonna do my face routine now. For foundation, I'm gonna use my Rimmel as per usual, and my Maybelline. Let me redo this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my face makeup now. I'm gonna use my Rimmel foundation in the shade Mocha and Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 350, and then I'm gonna highlight with my usuals as well. LA Girl Pro concealer in Fawn and Warm Honey. Yeah, so just watch me do that, and then after that I'll set, contour, highlight, and other day shebang. Oh, and I'm gonna prime. No, actually I'm not. I don't know, maybe I need to prime. just do it for YouTube. You know how like my brushes were really nice and clean in the first video? Yeah, that was a, you know, hopefully not a one-off, but this is the real me, you know. So I'm actually gonna wash my brushes after this one, but don't be expecting white, clean, brand new brushes. I bought brushes so I could get excited to wear makeup again, but
just to show say the love I get for you, my baby, no be play. Hope that one day you go wear my glasses and then see things my way. If you see my baby, my precious flower, make you want to jump down from the Eiffel Tower. Baby, my love, but my love for you, she's so. You got us going back and forth. You know you got me going back and forth, girl. You got me.
right, so I've just put concealer, you know, in the usual places and on my mustache because you know, I'm gonna set my face now with the Sasha Buttercup powder. Right, I'm gonna dust off all the powder and I'll be back. Hey guys, it's been like 8 hours or 9 hours since I dusted off the powder. Yes, best believe. What happened? Spontaneous photo shoot. I don't even know with this incomplete makeup, but it looks cute though. It's been banging. So we're gonna repeat the setting process because oh god, just mine's oily. The makeup has actually, does it still look alright? It does, isn't it? I don't remember what the setup was like. I had to like reset up, but I think everything still English. I think everything still looks alright, but what I'm just gonna do is reset my nose and just everything, just zhuzh it up. What I'm gonna do after, yeah, we'll find out after. My nose didn't start getting oily till like the 5th hour, but still don't want oily nose, do we? Even my eyebrows got oily. My chin. Right, while we're waiting for the powder to set in, I'm gonna bronze and contour. I don't know if I should just bronze because I like what it looks like, but you know, let's bronze. I'm gonna bronze with a warm shade of powder. I'm gonna use the red and black colors that I used on my eyes back on like at the bottom of my lid. But first of all, wow, I was pronouncing those K's. But first of all, I'm going to do my waterline with a black pencil as per usual. Today, yeah, I'm gonna be aggressive with the black because, you know, like I said, it's anti-Valentine down. My eyes are so sensitive, they're watering. Damn. Using brushes like this, I'm gonna go back into the red and the black just to blend it under my waterline.
Just to show say the love I get for you, my baby, no be play. Hope that one day you go wear my glasses and then see things my way. If you see
I just broke the lid to my highlighter. It's been hanging on for years anyway. I can't do my signature thing anymore. Come on, man. Well, I'm gonna use my two favorite highlighters by MUA in Golden Afterglow and Radiant Cashmere. I'm gonna spray my face with the Revolution Sports Fix Setting Spray. Right, so for my lips I'm going for something very dark. I'm gonna use a black lipstick and like a, I don't know what this color is, like brick red, and probably this red. I don't know yet. I haven't used proper red since I started wearing like makeup properly. But let's start with black.
Not just OK.com.
Right guys, this is the finished look. My wig is pushed back, but we're not here for the hair today, so you're gonna get this and this alone. Yeah, so I put the black lipstick, the burgundy brick red one and the bright red one. The camera decided to go off while I was doing it, so I just finished it off. In my personal opinion, this look bangs. It bangs, innit? It's just... thank God for the gift. Also, before the whole thing dies, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's out before Valentine's Day. Deadlines. Yeah, but I hope I can get this out for you guys before Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for the support so far. I see y'all, you know, y'all gonna be shining as well. Blessings on blessings on blessings. Also, shout out to my brother. It's his birthday today. Yeah, he's gonna come for me for doing that, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Cue slow-mo. Oh wait, first of all, I need to film myself before I do slow-mos. It still looks good. 8 hours after, you guys. Wait, hold on. I did this makeup 8 hours ago. I just finished off with the lips now. The nose is crusty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you see, when it's time to be sexy, some of us don't know how to do that stuff. Don't know how to do it.
Just to show say the love I get for you, my baby, no be play. Hope that one day you go wear my glasses and then see things my way. If you see my baby, my precious flower, make you want to jump down from the Eiffel Tower. Baby, my love,
Just wanted to quickly show off my... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I've never said that before, have I? Anyways, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, your sisters, whoever's in your life that would like to see this video, and demand them because I'm funny. Yeah, so everybody can enjoy this video. It's not just for girls, and you can impress a girl by knowing makeup tips, so let the man them know still, you know. I'm so weird, and that's what makes me me. Thank you.